In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build customer experience text templates in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Head over to dashboard.marketing-templates and choose your template channel. Here, we're selecting text. Click Create Template and pick the template type for easy organization. We'll choose Customer Experience, then name it Customer Experience Text in the editor. Under the first step, General, you can customize your feedback request text or stick with the default. Here, we're using Magic AI to generate a custom message. When you're happy with the text, click Next to move to Step 2, the Customer Experience page, where you can customize the feedback input message, heading, and rating scale. Choose how you'd like customers to rate their experience and toggle the negative and positive feedback forms on or off. We'll leave both enabled. Click Next to move on to Step 3, the positive feedback form. This is what customers see if they indicated a positive experience, so customize the header, message text, choose your relevant review sites, and adjust the button colors to match your brand. Click Next to move on to Step 4, the negative feedback form. Edit the header and message text to fit your needs, and toggle the callback option so reviewers can indicate if they'd like to be contacted by your team. Click Next one more time to reach the final step, where you edit the thank you message shown after someone leaves feedback. Adjust the text, and when you're happy, hit Save to confirm and return to the marketing homepage. Now click on the Templates tab to see your newly created review request template right there. Click the three dots if you ever need to edit or delete it. To put your template to use, navigate back to an open conversation in the inbox, then click the template icon in the text box and select the one we just built. Just like that, the template text drops into your text box with a link to your custom feedback form. Hit Send or press Enter, and you're done. And that's it! Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.